All right, so now that you've seen how to create campaigns and heard how it sounds on the other side, I'll show you a bit more into details, I guess, the script function. So how you can customize your call scripts and what can you do in there. So I've created a bunch of templates. So you'll find it under the AI calls item. There's a script sub-menu. And here you'll find a bunch of templates that I've added into the system that you can use right off the bat. And the main one being the property valuation template, which is the one offering the digital property report. So you can create your own scripts from scratch here. Or what I prefer to do is start off a template, so I can duplicate a template and work off that. So I'll do that now. Let's call this one V2. And an interesting feature here, so obviously you can specify to the agent why they're calling. So what is their purpose in that call, which is the main part of the script, really. So as you can see, it's pretty simple. You just explain in a couple of sentences what do you want them to do. So what should they talk about, what is the outcome, etc. You can also specify, in case they reach the voicemail of the recipient, what is the exact message that they should leave. And what I think is quite interesting is to activate what I call the post-campaign SMS. So it's completely optional, but if you want, you can send a text message ID at the end of the campaign. So if all attempts to reach the recipient failed, so voicemail or we just couldn't connect, we can automatically send them an SMS. So here you can decide what the SMS will say, and you can just, add a link, for example, to your website or to a lead capture page or whatever it is that you want to send. You can just type it there. There are smart variable names, which will pull the name and a few things that maybe in the CSV file that you've uploaded as part of the campaign. So, typically we've got the name, we've got their phone number, we've got their email address, we've got their suburb, like things like that. So that will go in there. And the interesting one is the link variable. So if you use the link smart variable, then when you send off your, when you create the campaign, you can replace that with the actual link that will automatically show in the SMS. So essentially it's a very easy way to work something out. So let's do hi first name, Tony here. I was hoping to talk to you about your property. Feel free to call me back. For example, it could really be whatever you want. What I think is best is to chuck a link in there to your, generate a property report for your house page on your website or something like that. There we go. I create my script. And it should show now here in my custom scripts, property valuation V2. There it is. I can change it, make any changes I want, and delete, etc., create another one. And then if I go back to my campaign view, if I create a new campaign, so I'm just going to do this quickly as an example. Let's just grab this one, whatever. Yes, I'll select here. My new script is available. See, offer a free property valuation, and I can, so obviously all the typical options are still there, but there's a new screen for the SMS wrap-up I can activate. So in my example, I didn't actually use the link, so this isn't useful. You can just see the message preview here, and what will be sent to the recipient. It gives you an estimate of the cost as well. So 16 cents for this one, for example. There's a shortcut to edit your template there. So for example, let's see if it works actually. Yeah, there we are. I'm just going to add the link, show you how it works. Save changes. So I go back to my campaign here. Just grab my file. There we go. Yes. There we go. So see how the link is showing here. So whatever I'll tap here on silent.com, it will show in the text. All right. Then I can review. Oh, it doesn't like it here because I forgot my HTTPS. Should be happy now. There we go. So there you go. It recaps everything here, reminds you of the link you've put in. You can edit all your settings as always, tick the box and launch the campaign. There we go.